Hey YouTube, it's the weekend. I'm gonna help the kiddo with his F22. It's a 2014 228i. These came with a 2.0 liter turbocharged four-cylinder, putting out 240 horsepower. This particular one is an 8-speed auto, and it's been decently reliable. He's got over 100,000 miles on it. The biggest issue we had with this was, I guess he hadn't driven it for a while, and some rodents went in and chewed on some wire, and we weren't able to get the transmission park, so it wouldn't start. But the dealer figured it out, and I just didn't have the time to troubleshoot it. So today, he says his AC stopped blowing cold, so I'm gonna check the charge and see what's going on with it. We also need to do some brakes. His rear brakes are done, and I think the drive belt. So I'll just help him out, teach him how to do these things. The reason I'm kind of making this video is kind of help your kids out, or anybody you know, save money. Some basic skills you could have, and you have the right tools, or you could borrow tools from some places, and you could help your kids out, save money, show them how to do brakes, oil changes, because he's going to school, doesn't have much money, and there's so many skills we could teach our kids and help them out in life, and just get them to know cars. Here the wheel stuck, teach him how to loosen that up, because it's a little rust between the aluminum wheel and the steel rotor. So just a little footage. And all right, thanks for watching. Happy I'm back. Been dealing with a lot of stuff, so haven't had time to make videos, but hope you enjoy this. So there was no pressure in the system for the AC. So right now I'm pulling the vacuum. I have a vacuum on here, and we're gonna let it sit for a couple hours or so while we go ahead and rotate tires, do brakes, and all this other stuff. So here you could use sandpaper, emery cloth, steel brush. Just knock off the rust, because the hub gets stuck. The wheel gets stuck on the rust on the hub right here. Over here, having him do the brakes. It's his first time doing brakes. Hopefully remembers next time, because I'll be sleeping in. So I didn't even record the rest of this because it was so hot out. I just wanted to get out the sun. So about 2.5 hours. The needle didn't move. I'm not sure why this lost Freon. But anyways, we went to the store, got oil, some Freon, some dye, and charged the system back up. Under the hood, there's always a sticker that tells you how much Freon to put back into the car. There's also a sticker that tells you what type of refrigerant. So pay attention to that. Thank you guys for watching. The whole purpose of this video was to just help out this newer generation, because a lot of kids these days don't know how to work on cars, and you don't want them spending their money at repair shops or at the dealership. If they could help themselves and save money, and that will help them out along the way. Okay, see you till next time.